Hey beauties, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make ooey gooey cinnamon rolls. Enjoy this little slow-mo of the separation of a cinnamon roll. Microwave 3/4 cup of milk to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. For me, I microwave mine for 40 seconds. The temperature of the milk is crucial because you don't want the high heat to kill the yeast. Pour the heated milk into a stand mixer bowl. Sprinkle 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast on top of the milk. Add in 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, then crack 1 egg. Separate an egg and add just the egg yolk in the mixture. Melt a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter in the microwave. Make sure the temperature is under 110 degrees Fahrenheit, so it won't kill the yeast. Mix the wet ingredients on medium speed until combined. Add in 3 cups of bread flour. You may use half all-purpose flour and half bread flour. Add in 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir the mixture with a spatula or a wooden spoon. The mixture should look like this. Then I use my stand mixer to mix the dough on high speed until the dough is smooth. See how elastic the dough is? This is the secret to getting fluffy cinnamon rolls. Grease or oil a large bowl, then put the ball of dough in the bowl. Then cover the bowl with a warm towel or cling wrap. Let the dough rise for an hour to an hour and a half. Now onto the yummy cinnamon filling part. Mix 1/3 cup of brown sugar and 1½ tablespoons of ground cinnamon in a small bowl. My dough rolls in an hour, but it may take longer depending on the type of environment that you're in. Transfer the dough on a well-floured surface. Roll the dough into a 14 by 9 inch rectangle. If the dough is still too thick, you may roll it thinner. Slather as much room temperature butter on the dough as you want. I used about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now for the part we've all been waiting for. We're gonna sprinkle the cinnamon filling on the dough. Starting from the 9-inch side, tightly roll the dough up and place the seam side down, making sure to seal the edges of the dough. Cut 9 pieces into 1-inch sections. Grease a 9 by 9 inch square pan. Arrange the cinnamon rolls in the pan. If you have more than 9 cinnamon rolls, you may use an additional pan. Cover the cinnamon rolls with cling wrap and let it rise for another 30 to 45 minutes. While we wait for the cinnamon rolls to rise, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cinnamon rolls for 15 to 20 minutes. This all depends on the type of oven that you have and the pan that you're using. Allow 10 minutes for the cinnamon rolls to cool before frosting. Add these 4 ingredients in a small bowl. 4 ounces of cream cheese, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, and ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat the ingredients until it is smooth and fluffy. The frosting should look like this once it is fully incorporated. Using a silicone spreader knife, use it to scrape the sides of the cinnamon rolls in the pan to remove it easily. The easiest, the best, and the final part is spreading the frosting on the cinnamon roll. Now you may take a big old bite that you deserve. You may now treat yourself to not 1, but 2 or even 3 cinnamon rolls for your hard work. Just devour them all. You will work it off tomorrow, right? And we all know that you're lying.